Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing the new product. This is DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. This is purchased from local Australian store. I will be showing you what's inside the box and what are the cool features and products they have included in this Fly More Combo Plus. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So let me show you what is this new model from DJI Mini 5 Pro, what they have included. And in my separate video I will be showing you whether you need to upgrade your DJI Mini 4 Pro or no. So let me show you what's inside the box. So guys, let me show you what's inside the box. DJI Mini 5 Pro, this is a Fly More Combo Plus. So you can see on the box here DJI More Combo Plus model, and let me show you what's inside the box. So we will be open this packing first. So let me open up this box. So this plastic wrapping, we will be removing that one first. So this is DJI Mini 5 Pro. So let me show you what they have packed inside this box. And this comes with the bag. So all the things are packed nicely in the bag. So this is the bag, beautifully packed, so you can see that. And let me show you the inside, what they all have included. So this is the one. So let me show you. So this is the drone they have nicely packed. So this is the drone. You can see that it has a lens protection cover, and let me remove this cover. I will show you that. See, you can see that this is the beautifully nice packed DJI Mini 5 drone, and cover is like that. You can protect, and it is easy to pack, and safe also for the drone because lens is always protected. So this is the 1-inch sensor. So this is bit improvement in the camera quality from the DJI Mini 4 model. And let me show you. So see, when you turn it, like open the wings, so it will turn it on. So because the battery is low, so it is not turning on at the moment, but as you can see, this is a very beautiful drone. So sensors, these are the two sensors, and on the side also this is a sensor, and the front also there are the sensors. So it is quite a good thing. And so let me show you what else they have provided. So this is the cover in the box. We will open up that one later on, but let me show you this one. So this is the extra two batteries. The third one is already in the drone. So they provided three batteries, and each battery has a battery life of 45-minute flying time. So that is very good. So see, you can remove that, put it on. So all the batteries are not charged because of the safety reason. They don't provide the charge batteries. And this is my RC2 remote control. So let me show you. See, this is the RC2 remote control. So this is same as the DJI Mini 4 RC2, but I think the other thing is because this has a strong antenna, because now the drone can fly up to 20-kilometer range. So they give a improvement in the signal strength. So that is how you have to take that. On the back you can see these are the flying keys. You need to attach that. So just you need to attach that here, just like that. You have to screw that, and again the second one you can put it on the left side. So this is all ready like that. So this is the RC2, and let me show you what else they have provided. So this is the one where they charge extra, DJI Fly More Combo Plus, because in the Combo Plus the battery is the improved batteries, and this one I will show you one by one. So these are the extra blades for your drone to fly properly. So they have provided few extra blades front and back. So these are the extra blades they have provided. And this is the type C to type C charging cable for charging the drone or transferring the files and everything. And then this is another cool feature they have provided this time, which was not in the DJI Fly More Combo Plus for Mini 4. They haven't provided that, but this time they have provided that. So let me show you what is that one. So these are the beautiful three filters. So you can attach the filters on this drone to like apply and take a beautiful picture. So these filters, otherwise you have to buy separately. So this will be very useful. Let me show you one by one. For example, if you have to use that, so you have to just attach that filter. So it will go on the top of like this. See, it will be going on top of that. So that filter will be very helpful in taking the beautiful pictures. And plus this is the DJI instruction booklet they have provided. And what more, doesn't look like anything more they have provided. So that is all what you get inside in this package. So guys, this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see that this is the outer box, and this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone, and it comes with the three batteries, long life batteries, and which has a long flying time. And then it has DJI RC2 remote control, and plus this has the extra filters, three filters they have provided, and these are the extra blades. And plus there is a type C to type C charging cable, and this is the instruction booklet, and this is the case for the safety of your drone. And plus this is a small box to where they pack the extra stuff. So this is pretty much inside the box. So guys, let's talk about the product feature for DJI Mini 5 Pro. And I'm on the famous Australian website, which is jbhifi.com.au, and they have all the different models of this drone. So they have four models. As you can see, one is a drone only, which is $1,119, and then is a Mini 5 drone Fly More combo. So in that one you get a different remote control, as you can see that in the picture. Then it comes with the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone Fly More combo. So then it is 1699 AUD. And the top of the range is DJI Mini 5 Pro drone Fly More combo plus. So I have shown you this unboxing. So let me show you the comparison so that you can see what is the difference between these. So let me show you. So we are comparing these four cameras, and so you will see that comparison of these four drone, and we will turn on the show difference here. So that way you can see that. So in this one, if you compare these two, just for the extra $100, you will see the good batteries, because in this Fly More combo, it is 36-minute battery life, and whereas it is 52-minute, which is quite a big difference. And also, if you go down and you see the battery here, it is the same, only the difference is the remote control, and this is just the remote drone only, so with the one battery. So this is the difference between that one. And I suggest you, if you are thinking about go for the Fly More combo, then don't go for that one, just go for the combo plus, because it is worth extra $100. So you can go for that one. So let me show you the detailed feature for this Fly More Combo Plus. See, this one, it is $1,799. So because this is recently launched, so don't expect any reduction in the price. So this is the thing. And if you see camera 4K 60 frame per second, HDR video, true vertical shooting with the 225-degree flexible gimbal rotation, and 20-kilometer video transmission. So this is the two great feature in this DJI Mini 5 as comparison to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, because they introduced the flexible gimbal rotation to 225-degree, and then the range is also improved, so 20-kilometer video transmission range. And if you go down, let me show you, read more. See, this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro 1-inch sensor. So that is very good improvement, and especially in the nightscape and all that. So as you can see, and further it comes with the 42 gig of internal storage. So that is also quite good. So you can use that one, because previously it was hardly 2 GB. So and further, these are the few features like 2x zoom, and then in the Mini 4, when you do the zooming, so the video quality was not good. So but this one, it is quite a good improvement. And 4K HDR video, and further they have added 14 stops of dynamic range. So that way you can add your stops, and it will be very helpful. And slow motions video also, and 10-bit video, and high ISO performance, and then true vertical shooting, and 225-degree flexible gimbal rotation. That is the new feature. So, and true vertical shooting for instant sharing, like you can in the Facebook Reels or YouTube Reels, you can put up that way. It will be very useful. And further, nightscape omnidirectional, because normally in the Mini 4 there was a problem if you are doing the nighttime flight. So the sensor don't judge the any obstacle. So but in this one, the obstacles, anything can be avoided with this Mini 5 Pro. And it is omnidirectional vision sensor system, sensing system. So any direction it is able to identify any obstacle. And a nighttime return to home, that is very good feature, like it can avoid anything in the low light condition, anything. And dual band, so the improvement signal is also improved because it's a dual band strength. And also upgraded ActiveTrack 360-degree and multi-scenario tracking, smoother and safer tracking, intelligent mode, so master shot, quick shot, free panorama, off state quick transfer, extended flight time with the faster charging. So and plus DJI O4 plus bit video transmission, takeoff from new heights. So these are quite a few features. And this was inside the box Mini 5 Pro RC2 remote controller, and then RC cables type C, and a lightning connector, and DJI Mini 5 Pro intelligent flight battery plus. and Pro spare propeller, and then two-way charging hub, and then Pro shoulder bag, and then USB-C to USB-C data cable, and then it has a Pro storage cover, and then DJI Mini 5 Pro ND filter set. So which is again, if you buy separately, it is very worth of that. So it is good to go for this package. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.